Watch us transform our fireplace today. I don't like it. I don't like it. We already started some of this living room makeover by painting the ceiling and getting the cabinet next to the fireplace fixed up. We also looked into and tested out a bunch of fireplace options, and none of them were working at the time. It's so white, like you essentially might as well have painted it. There's so much on each of them.
We have two different colors. So this is a snow white grout, and this is white mortar, and that's what you don't like. I think you're okay with these colors. See, this is what I was worried about. This stuff wipes right off.
Since none of our grout or paint options seemed to be working the way we wanted them, we decided to cover it up and think about it for a little while. But now I think we found a solution. We have been humming and hawing over the fireplace makeover for weeks.
Part of it was we wanted something that was gonna last, like not wipe off. We wanted something that looked decent and not cost a fortune because it's just supposed to be a temporary DIY.
We're just gonna go for it.
And who knows, maybe Lindy will love it so much that this will be the forever solution.
Unlikely.
Cross our fingers.
But hopefully I like it. One of our biggest issues with most of the grout products is that it was easy to wipe off our stone. I don't know if our stone just isn't porous or if it had a sealer on it already, but nothing could stick to it, and we couldn't find anything that worked. We finally did find a combination of grout and sealers that come in the same color, and we are pretty excited to try this out on the fireplace. First step was to lighten everything up and re-grout all of the grout lines on the fireplace with a grout bag and our new color. Okay, I don't like it. Let's go back to how it was before.
Absolutely not. You can go away.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
I can't get any out. You made it look so easy. Don't laugh at me.
Good job, honey. Well, there we go.
There you go. Whoa, like ice.
See, this is how you do it, Lindy. You just kind of... Here, you try now.
That's way easier.
Yeah, that's how I would have done it the first time.
Set me up for failure. It looks a little bit like a hot mess right now. So this
is
way thicker than we wanted.
I can fix that.
Even this is way thicker than we wanted, but because it's not sealed, it just wipes away. We used a sponge and a brick jointer to get the grout into the lines and create a nice natural groove. Once the grout dries, we will be wiping away all of the grout that was on the stone, because the way it's applied to the stone right now, it's far darker than we want it to look in the end.
We have let the grout set. Now we need to wipe it. It's kind of like a middle time. It's not fully set, but this stuff wipes off fairly easy. So we'll grab some clean water and a sponge and start wiping.
It is day 2. We thought originally this might only be a 2-day project. It's definitely gonna be 3.
Yeah,
for sure.
3. Yeah, no, minimum. The cleanup is a bit more than we thought. I mean, also life, just kids and all that stuff. Yeah. There's no turning back.
No, everything's grouted and the grout is staying. So today's big job is cleanup.
So we did the majority of the cleanup yesterday. This is ultimately what we're going for here. Above is where we need to do a little work. So I grabbed my toothbrush out of the bathroom.
Gross, no. a spare dentist giveaway toothbrush.
And this works good just to kind of clean up some of the lines and with a wet sponge. And we should be doing this for a couple hours and maybe more than a couple hours, and then it'll look perfect.
So we really want essentially to clean up the stone so that all the edges are nice. Yeah, so this area here has really nicely been cleaned up. You can see the edges of the stone, the grout is kind of inside, like nice clean grout lines. And that's what we're sort of looking for everywhere.
So like here we have to clean up, here.
If we have those like light patches, it's gonna be, I think, significantly harder to seal everything evenly. So we really wanna have like a nice even base on the stone fronts before we add the sealer.
We're basically just using a sponge with a bucket of water, my toothbrush, and a trowel to do the cleaning. Day 3.
We cleaned it all. It looks really, really good. Other than the fact that it's still brown. But the grout lines look amazing. It cleaned up really well.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the sealer, which means it does not come off after. I mean, we're already past the point.
We're already posted, yeah. So this is just really setting that in stone.
The sealer itself is going to dry quite a bit darker than it is when it's applied, from our experience doing all of our testing. So we are going to start with just doing a really light coat and see how it dries and then go from there.
Yeah. What do you have to say about this Oreo? Really? You like it that much? Yeah? Yeah.
The next step was to use our matching grout sealer to fill in some of the spots we might have missed in the grout lines, but also to very lightly go over all of the stone faces. No, I think that's looking really good.
Just have to trust the process.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I wasn't sure yesterday.
I was not sure yesterday because...
You asked me like 5 times.
Yeah, but you said you liked it every time.
There was no going back. If you were doubting yourself, which I thought you were, and I'd be like, no, I'm not liking it. You'd be like, okay, we have to stop. And then what do we do? There's no turning back. So I was just like, no, we're
you lied to me.
Sometimes it's a lie of love.
This is the kind of marriage that we've signed up for.
For the sake of marriage, you have to lie during DIY.
We're going to put that on a t-shirt. Let me know if you guys want a t-shirt. Are you recording now?
Yes, come here. So you know how I was hesitant about this project?
You're talking to me or them?
Everybody, both parties involved right now.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't love it. I don't really like it.
It was better.
I'm so mad at me. I don't like it. I don't like it. I knew putting white over the stone was going to cool everything down visually, like cool colors. But I didn't anticipate how much. There are blue hues almost. And in this like warm room covered with warm paneling, it looks so off. And I'm not happy. I'm not happy with it, and I'm sorry. Asshole.
So we'll just live with this until we rent away?
No, I cannot live with this. Any change we make
would be better than what it
is not going to be worse. Okay, well, we're all still upset, but we've come up with a temporary solution that we're going to try.
Acetone will soften the sealer, and with some elbow grease, you can get it muted. I can't get it all off, but.
So we put acetone on these ones, you can tell. And it does bring some of that warm brown back out.
We toned down the brown too much.
We toned down the brown too much. Now we're going to be scrubbing all of these tiles with acetone to try and bring back some of the original warm colors.
See what we end up with. I mean, the only way to go from this is paint.
Yeah, but hopefully this works.
Look at this, Lindy. This is cool.
Wow. Just as a reminder, here's what the fireplace looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. We did it. We successfully toned down the brown.
This project definitely had its highs and lows.
But I'm really, really happy.
Yeah, no, this is better than I thought it was going to turn out.
This project was definitely worth the money. It did not cost very much. Here's a little breakdown of what we spent.
I mean, really affordable. It's just, there's definitely sweat equity in this one.
Yeah, so let us know in the comments what you think of the project. Do you think it was worth it? Would you try it at home? I'd love to hear all your thoughts. And make sure you're subscribed because we have more great DIY projects coming up.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching.